Okay, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips once again. Today we're going to be fitting one of these wise driving, yeah, black box basically. Alright, this unpacking, I've unpacked it before but I haven't gone through it properly. We've got an instruction booklet. I've had a brief look at it and And we have this little pamphlet also. And this is the little gizmo we're going to be fitting. According to the instruction, this little wipe here, you use that to clean off the top of your battery. Take that out of the bag. This bit here peels off to allow you to stick it on top of the battery, and the arrow there points forward. On the instruction I looked earlier on, it's got something to do with your mobile, so we're gonna have a look at that properly next. Right, we're fitting it on a Renault Clio. Now if you're the owner of a Renault Clio, down there in the passenger side footwell is where you pull to open your bonnet. Yeah, you hear it click, and you come outside. I'll give it a little lift, I think. And if you look just down in there, you see the catch. Yeah, you press down on that and your bonnet comes open. Yeah, your bonnet stays here. Pull that out and it locates in here somewhere, I'm not sure, just there. Right, so if I hold that on my head, pull that out just like that and bring it over. This one and thing is a joke. We locate it just inside up there. Now that is up. Our battery is under here. There, it looks like you press there and you lift that up. I think it may be a two-hand job, I don't know. Press backwards and lift. Yeah, it should come out, but it's not because of this. What the heck is this? We don't know. Where is that attached to? There. Press it downwards and lift. No, no, no. So I'm gonna take that off and get back to you. 1 second. Okay, this is our top we saw earlier on. These two bits locate just under there and there. Right now, when I first press these clips in, see, I do it on the side, press this backwards just like that to release it. Yeah, managed to get those out. Then I've sort of filled this out until I was left with that. On here you have this clip, you press that in and it should come off. Well, it shouldn't come off. I thought it would come off, but once I got it, I had to resolve to down there, you see that clip there, I just raise that up with a screwdriver and that will pop out. And again, just down there, same thing. So when you're feeding it back, you're gonna have to raise that pipe up, connect that back, and then locate the one at the back just there. Right, so now we got to this stage where we got this out of the way. Oh, before I go any further, the reason why this wouldn't come off is because it's held in with a screw under there. So unless you know, it's pretty difficult to get to anyway from the side. That is the best way to go. That's the way I went. Right, now we got our battery out of the way, our cover out of the way. We can see our battery. Now we need a positive connection. Positive is red, yeah. And also check on your battery just to make sure. See the plus sign just there where my finger is? You know, try and get there. It is plus sign, that's a positive, and over here the minus sign, negative. So we need to connect one connector to here. You can connect it there, there, there. It doesn't matter. It's all the same. Again here, here, or this little clamp here. I ain't got a clue what that is all about, but looks like it's to take the battery terminal off. So you got to undo that first. And I ain't got a clue because I'm not going to go that far. You could even connect it here. It's a positive because it seems to go back through this lot. All right. and it's all covered and blocked off by this, so there's nothing that's going to make contact with it. Anyway, that's where we're at the moment. Now, to me personally, all right, just try and tighten those wire up. It says lay on the battery. It's going to be on the battery under the cover, so whether you stick it on the side there, as long as it's facing forward, I should imagine it would work. Alright, so we're going to do that anyway. Connect it all up. But as I said, I've got one hand working with, so I'm going to undo one of those, and connect it up, and I'll show you. See you in a minute. Okay, here's a little box all connected up. It's just down on the inside here. I haven't stuck it to anything yet. Our arrow is pointing, oopsie daisy, in the wrong direction, so we need to turn it around that way. You can see it's got a little red light going on inside there, flashing away. Alright, now the first thing I did was place it, because if I put it on here, first thing I did, I put it on there and try the cover. The cover would not fit with it on there. Alright, so I've cleaned out that area like I said before, and I've decided it's going to go in just like that. But before I stick it to anywhere, I made sure that my cables can reach to the connectors, because no point me sticking there and the cables can't reach there unless I'm going to extend the cable. I have nothing to extend the cable. I'm working with what I have: screwdriver, an adjustable spanner, and the hand wipe. Don't throw the hand wipe away till you're completely finished. You're going to need it to wipe your hand off, even though you've used it, or you can wash your hand after. So what we're going to do now is get our thumb, finger, anything anyway, and we peel that bit off just like that. Stick that there for a minute. Get our box facing the direction we want, slide it down inside there, and we stick it to the side of the panel. Alright, now that stick there, if I press it with my finger, it's fallen off, so I need my other hand to try and stick it in there securely. Just press it against it, and it should hold it. Alright, now I'm happy with that. It's not going anywhere, I hope. If it does, and that's it. Get these cables out, start again, pop it off, make sure your cable's underneath so you are making full contact with the surface, and there you are. That's now proper fixed. It wasn't before, as I said, because the cables. Right, now that's fixed in there, pointing in the right direction. We need to put our things back together. This side panel I didn't show you. This one, just again, that part locates in the back there. Your cables stick down through there, coming from there and there. Alright, just press them down between that gap, locate that back in there, and over your clip, and press, and it locks. Yeah, next is this one. Alright, under the back, just there, and again over there. See, tilt it upwards to press it under there, then down, press, press. That should lock in. May not lock in all that well because it's not brand new, is it? There, we could clean off if we want, but there's not much point. Now what we need to do, see this pipe here? That's all it is. We're just gonna hook that onto there, just like that, and you can see it clips on to that clip there. So we just press that on, and then we lay it in position. But I'm just gonna have a look down here to make sure there's nothing that it has popped out of, and it doesn't look like it has. So I will just press it back on, just like that. Yeah, locks back on. See what I'm saying? So if you get your screwdriver and you just lift that, it will come straight off. Yeah, well, in fact, you didn't have to take this one off, just the back one. So we're going to put this back in position and reconnect that one, but I need 2 irons because I've got to get this back there. Sorry, so cold. Okay, I've got it back together. What I had to do is take that bit back off again because I was having a bit of difficulty getting the pipe down inside there, and connect this one on first. Alright, it's a bit fiddly, but if you just twist it up and down, see what I'm doing? As you're pushing it into there, and a bit of force behind it. So what you need to do is push forward that way, get your hand down into there, and hold on to there. So, see that? Where my hand is? Oh, the lighting. Let's try and do it again with a flash. Right, once we got all our bits back together, I was trying to show you, so I'm not sure how I'm doing, but I'm gonna replay it. Pipe connects onto there, right? We had to fit it onto here first. No, fit it, drop it back into where it came from, put this in there, locate it, fit it on, right? Then we get our hands behind there, we held onto that pipe, and we push this end forward, which is this whole unit here. Alright, you can also see another screw in there which I didn't notice before, but never mind, there's one there and the other one underneath where my hand is. Yeah, so this one under here is a pain in the neck, so what we done was the easiest way. Alright, now that's back together and it's all good. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching, thanks for joining me, hope this helped. See you soon again on Tradespeople's Tips. Have a nice day, a nice evening, a nice morning, whichever the case may be, wherever you're at. Laters, people.